Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make beer Stardew Valley step by step. Place hops and wheat in a keg to start brewing, then wait the required in-game days for fermentation. Check kegs each morning, refill with fresh crops, and label batches if you keep multiple recipes. Sell aged beer for higher profits or gift to villagers who appreciate artisan goods and prefer crafted beverages over generic produce. Prepare your farm by planting clusters of hops near sprinklers to keep them watered and productive, and sow wheat in blocks for efficient harvesting. Fertilize soil to boost quality, which increases beer value after brewing. Rotate crops so you always have ingredients ready for kegs, and store extras in chests labeled for brewing to avoid waste and keep your production line running smoothly without constant hauling across your farm. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, perfect for playing tunes while you manage hops and kegs or listening to ambient farming playlists. It fits neatly beside your controller or keyboard and offers voice control for hands-free timers and reminders during long brewing sessions. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Move a keg to a convenient spot on your farm and interact with it to insert hops or wheat, then relax while the keg works. Check back after the process completes to collect beer, and immediately refill to keep production continuous. Add more kegs as your ingredient supply grows, and consider building a sheltered brewing area to protect equipment while keeping everything organized for fast harvesting and consistent artisan income every season.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.